Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. This video, I'll be discussing with you Interlink Network Honest Review. So, the Interlink Network is positioned as an AI-powered connectivity and identity platform built around a Web3 idea called proof of personhood. Now, in simple terms, the platform tries to verify that every account belongs to a real human being, usually through biometric checks like facial verification, then uses that verified identity to let people interact with apps, features, and token based incentives inside the ecosystem. Now, the project also promotes a mobile app where verified participants can access mini apps, daily activities, and in some cases, earn a native token tied to the network. Now, when looking at whether Interlink Network is worth using, the experience shared online is mixed and very dependent on expectation. Now, based on App Store feedback, the platform has attracted a large number of downloads, which suggests that real interest in active usage rather than something that exists only on paper. Now, some people say that the app, the idea of a human verified network is interesting and like experimenting with the app's features and early incentives. Others report that onboarding works, verification completes, and the app functions as advertised during basic use. Now, at the same time, a noticeable portion of reviews point out technical issues. Now, according to user feedback on mobile app stores, some people experience bugs, crashes, or problems logging in after updates. Now, facial verification and syncing issues are also mentioned, which can be frustrating since identity verification is central to how the platform actually works. Now, these comments don't suggest the app is fake, but they do show that the technology is still maturing and not always smooth for everyone. Now, outside the App Store here, broader crypto and tech discussions actually tend to frame Interlink Network as an early stage and experimental project. Claims about future utility, partnerships, or long term token value are difficult to independently confirm at this stage. As with many Web3 platforms that involve daily rewards or token incentives, participation today does not guarantee that those tokens will have lasting value or easy liquidity later on. That uncertainty comes up often in community discussions and is generally treated as a risk rather than a proven outcome. Now, taken together here, Interlink Network appears to be a real functioning platform with an ambitious goal here, not a placeholder holder or non-existent product. However, it's also clear that it's still early in development. Technical stability, long-term usefulness, and actual value of its ecosystem are not fully proven yet. For someone interested in experimenting with Web3 identity concepts and early platforms, it can be interesting to explore. For anyone expecting guaranteed rewards or a polished enterprise level experience, it may feel premature. Now, I've shown you everything that we found here. It's still up to you if you want to use it. Just remember that if you want to try this platform, guarantees of you earning through the platforms or is not guaranteed yet. So it's still in the early stages. So you may want to manage your expectation. But at the end, it's still up to you. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.